how to download TeamViewer in Windows 11 or 10. So if you want to download TeamViewer in Windows 11 or 10, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser. Any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you can simply go with the search. Now under search, you need to search for TeamViewer download. So here you will have the www.teamviewer.com. And if you're using Windows, then simply go with the first option, which will be easy. And it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply choose the Windows option. Click on Windows and it will take you to the Windows, or if you're using Mac, you can go with Mac, Linux, Chrome, or all of these. So I'll be choosing Windows. Scroll down, and once you scroll down here, you will have the TeamViewer full client. And on the right side, you will have download 64-bit or download 32-bit. So you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with or that your laptop supports. So for example, I'll be choosing the 64-bit. And once you click on that, then the download process will start. So here you can see by going to full download history, you will have this kind of interface where you'll be able to see the download process. So it may take some time to download. Just wait for some minutes or a few seconds. Once it's downloaded, you can simply open up that, click on that, and you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply choose install and set up unattended access to this device, or you can go with default installation or run only one-time use. So you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. So the easiest one is default. You can simply click on default installation and then go with accept and click on yes, and it will start the installing process. And that's it. You can simply go with I accept and then go with continue, and you've downloaded. So that's how you can download your TeamViewer in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.